Hello. Yes, good morning everybody. I hope you're having a good morning. Today is the end of the month. This is 30th of June. So we just want to build on what we said yesterday. Let's see exactly what we expect to be happening on various pairs. And we'll start off with the one on our screen. This is GBPUSD. So far, if you put like this, you may not be able to say exactly where the price is headed. But if you go to daily, you can see that somehow we are still heading to the lower side. So there's a trend line which ran all the way from the top. We had that, and then we also had a trend line from this point. It came like that, and then we had this is like some higher high, and then there is this lower high, and then we have this another lower high, which means we still expect price to continue downwards. We expect it to go from where the price is now up to this point. So the idea now is to basically just expect price to break below this point, retrace back, and then continue short. This is what we expect to be happening. The price needs to break below, retrace back, and then continue much lower. We actually expect it to go up to this point, up to 1.14530. So the next chart we look at USDJPY. USDJPY so far, somehow we are upwards. The price is moving slowly to the upper side. We have this. We have a very good level here where the price successfully closed above. So on this chart we do expect price to continue up to 109.596, this point here. Expect a possible momentum up to this resistance. So if you look at this chart now, maybe you should wait for some retracement to 107.473, 107.356, so that you pick a buy position up to the next level, which is 109.596. So the next chart we look at Euro USD. Here, this is how this chart looks. We are somehow consolidating to the lower side. The price keeps consolidating after this high here. There was another high, and currently the price is continuing to the lower side. So expect a possible move up to this point. If you look at Euro USD now, expect price to continue to the lower side. So as I was saying, the previous day's candle was actually a bearish pin bar, which means that the price may likely be continuing to the lower side. It should go up to around 1.11371. So the next chart we look at is gold. Gold, yesterday the price continued upwards. So as I was saying, this was a good buy. This was a very good buy after especially the pin bar which we saw. That was a very good continuation sign, and it meant that the price was supposed to continue upward. So that's exactly what happened. The price moved much higher. As it is now, we are still seeing a continuation to the upside. So this means we are still buyers. So as if the price can pull back up to the same point, then that will give us the correct place we want to buy from. The next chart is SP500. SP500, this is how it looks. We have some resistance here. So this was just some support, some support, some support, some support, some support. We do expect price to continue up to this resistance. So if you're on this chart now, you are supposed to look for sell positions. I mean, you're supposed to look for buy positions, expect price to proceed up to the resistance which you're seeing around this point. We look at Brent oil. Brent oil, so far we are in an upward trend, but this shape, we have this, then we have also this one. So we expect a breakout above and then a pullback, so that we continue to the upside. This is what we expect to be happening. So we basically just want price to break above the upper trend line, retrace back, and then continue up to this point. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's webinar. I hope we've learned something, that we actually, the pairs which I've looked at, there's a good setup on EURUSD. Also on Brent oil, we have a very good buy chances of heading upwards. We've also seen that on SP500 we expect a move to the upper side, and then we've seen that gold is also upwards. So those charts that look much more clear than the others, those are the charts that we prefer for trades. So simply wait for some pullbacks on those charts and then take a trade. Expect that trade to take price to the next level, and also those levels have drawn. Like in this case, I have a level at 53.66. So thank you very much. Meet you again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you.